Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel ScopeIIT. Today we will discuss about the topic how to convert fractional number to any number. For example, how to convert decimal fraction to binary, octal fraction to binary, octal fraction to hexadecimal. That all question we will cover. This comes under number system topic. Number system I have already covered in my last videos. So please watch it so that it will be easy for you to understand this one. Okay, now, so first we'll start with decimal fraction to binary. So for example, suppose I have one question 28.125 to the base 10. Okay, and I want to convert it to the base 2. Okay, how to do? So here, before decimal, whatever number you are having, that is the same rule what we have applied in number system. Okay, so you want to convert 28 to binary. So you know that decimal to any number, what we do to convert from decimal to any number. So decimal to any number we need to divide. Okay, so here we will divide 28 by 2. Okay, so 2 ones are 2 fours are 8, remainder 0, 2 sevens are 14, remainder again 0, then 2 threes are 6, remainder 1, then 2 ones are 2, remainder 1, and it will write from down to up. So it will become 1 1 1 means 111 point. Okay, so before point is normal only how we are doing. Okay, but what about after point? So after point you are having 0.125. So we'll write here 0.125. Then what we'll do? We have to multiply it by 2. Okay, I already explained whenever we are doing conversion, okay, either multiply divide we always do with other number. We never multiply divide with decimal. So here also we'll multiply it with 2. So 0.125 into 2, that is nothing but 0.25. Now here before decimal, whatever number you get, either 1, 0, whatever you will get, that you write it separately because that is our answer actually. Okay, so before point what you got? 0. So write 0 here. Okay, then here write down again 0.25 multiplied by 2. Then it will become your 0.50. Then again before point what you got here? 0. So write down here 0. Then 0.50 into 2. So here what you will get? 1.00. Okay, so before point now what you got? 1. So write down here 1. Now what is remaining? 0.0. And 0.0, that means 0 multiplied by any number is 0 only. So remaining nothing will come, all 0. Okay, and here whenever we'll do multiplication, we'll write always our answer from up to down. Like in division what we are doing? Down to up, no? So here we will do up to down. So here you will get answer as 001. Understood? This is a way we convert your decimal fraction to binary. Next, how to convert your decimal fraction to octal. Okay, so suppose if they have given you any decimal fraction, how you can convert that to octal? Let us see. For example, I have one question 12.0625 to the base 10. Okay, and I want to convert it to the base 8. Okay, I want to convert it to the base 8. So here also the same thing. How to convert decimal to any number? So to convert decimal to any number, we'll do it by divided by 8. Okay, so 12 before point. So before decimal, what you have? 12, right? So 12. If we'll divide 12 by 8, so 8 ones are 8. 8 to the 16, that is greater. Okay, so 8 ones are 8. Remainder is 4. So down to up. So here you will get 1 4. Okay, so 1 4, that means before point you understood how to do that. Okay, now 0.625. Okay, so what we'll do? 0.0625. We will multiply it by 8, and whatever answer we will get, that we will write it over here. So here what answer we'll get if we multiply 0.0625 into 8? We'll get here 0.5. Okay, so here you can see what you got, 0.5. So before point what you have? Before point you have 0. So here we will write separately 0. Okay, next, again when you multiply 0.5 into 8, when we multiply 0.5 into 8, then what we'll get? 4. So 4.00 actually. And you know that before point whatever you have, that will be here, and after point if you get 0, then we have to stop actually. Okay, now remember there are two places where we will stop this fraction. Okay, this decimal. Here we will stop one thing. If you get here 0, like 4 point, like if you get one constant factor after that 0, at that time we will stop. And other than that, there is one more way when we'll stop. Then when you get a repetition, okay, suppose you are getting 0 4, then 0 4 0 4 0, then you should stop. Your answer is 0 4 only, like that. Okay, but here we got 0.0, that means here we'll stop, and answer is always right from up to down. So it will be 0, 4. So if you want to convert 12.0625 to the base 10 and you want to convert it to octal, okay, then this is a way we'll convert this number. Okay. Now, suppose, for example, the same number, if I want to convert it to binary, then how to do it? So the same, we'll have 12. Okay. So 12 to the base 2. So 12, 6 are 12, remainder 0. 2 3s are 6, remainder 0. 2 1s are 2, remainder 1. So you'll get as this one. Okay. So suppose if I'll take the same number 12.0625 to the base 10, suppose I want to convert it to the base 2. Okay. So in that case, what will happen? In that case, you'll get 1 down 2 up. So you'll get as 1100 point. So after point, now after point what you have 0.625. So again what we'll do, 0.625 multiplied by 2. So you will get it as 0.125. Then again, so 0 separately. Okay. Then 0.125 into 2. 0.125 into 2 is nothing but 0.25. Okay. So again it will be 0. Then 0.25 into 2. So that is nothing but 0.50. So here also before point what we have 0. So right here 0. Then next 0.50 into 2. Then what we'll get here? 1.00. So you get 1 point. So here is 1. And we write answer from up to down. So here your answer will be 0001. Okay. If you convert this decimal to binary, decimal fraction to binary. Okay. Next. Now, how to convert your octal fraction to decimal? Okay, you understood decimal to any number. Okay, we did decimal to octal, decimal to binary. So decimal to any number, same division, and after 0.1 we'll do multiplication. But how to do any number to decimal? So here, for example, I have a number 0.14 to the base 8. Suppose I want to convert it to the base 10. Okay, 0.14 to the base 8. Suppose I want to convert it to the base 10. Okay, so how to do it? So here, see, point before point what you have? So 0 into 8, point 1 into 8 plus 4 into 8. Okay, so here what will happen? Before point what you have? So what? How to write before point? You remember 0. What I write? 0, 1, 2 like that. So here 0 right hand side. So it will be -1. -2 like, okay. So anything to the power 0 is 1, but 1 multiplied by 0 is nothing but 0. So it will be 0 point, then it will be 8 ka power -1. So it will become 1 by 8 plus 4 into 8 square 64. So 4 by 64. Okay. So if you will do, then it will become 4 ones are 4 and here you have 64. Okay. So 64 will change to 16. So here you will get 0 point, then in bracket 0.125 plus 0.0625. So that is nothing but final answer we will get at 0.1875. Okay. The answer for this question is 0.1875. Actually this I wrote to explain you. Otherwise before point if 0 is there then no need to solve, directly write down 0 point. Then after point only. Okay. So this one. Just solve 1 4. Understood? I hope it's clear. One more question we'll do. Okay, for this one, how to convert octal to decimal, because here I took 0 point. Okay, so one more question we'll do. Suppose if I'll take one question 1725.43 to the base 8 and you want to convert it to the base 10. Okay, so how to do? So see, 1 into 8 plus 7 into 8 plus 2 into 8 plus 5 into 8. Point 4 into 8 plus 3 into 8. So here before point 8 ka power 0, 8 ka power 1, 8 ka power 2, 8 ka power 3. Okay, and here 8 ka power -1, 8 ka power -2. So here if we'll talk about 8 cube, so 8 cube is nothing but 5 and 2. Okay, then 8 ka square 64 into 7, so that's nothing but 448. Okay, then here plus 8 2s are 16 and 8 ka power 0 means 1, so 5 1s are 5. Okay, point. On this side it will become 4 by 8 plus 3 by 8 square, that is 64. Okay, so if you will solve it properly, you will get final answer as 981.546875. You need to divide it. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, so it will be 0.5. Okay, so like this we will solve octal fraction to decimal. Next, okay, so this is a difficult one. How to convert octal to hexadecimal? So procedure is same as I told you. Any number to any number. That means convert first to decimal and then decimal to hexadecimal. Procedure is same here also. Okay. Now let us solve this question. Here, what question we are having? Here, octal fraction to hexadecimal. So suppose if I take one question. Okay, I'll do this one. Suppose the number is 432.2, for example, okay, to the base 8, and I want to convert it to the base 16 hexadecimal, okay. So before point what you have? 432, okay. And here also first what we have to find? To the base 10, and then to the base 10 we'll do this one, okay. Any number, if you want to convert to decimal, then what we have to do? Multiply. And decimal to any number we'll need to do divide. So here we have 432. So 4 into 8 plus 3 into 8 plus 2 into 8 point 2 into 8. Okay, so before decimal 8 ka power 0, 8 ka power 1, 8 ka power 2, and here 8 ka power minus 1. So it will become 8 square 64. 64 into 4, that is 256, plus it is a 24 plus 2 ones are 2. 0.8 2 into 1 by 8, so that is nothing but 1 by 4. Okay, so that is nothing but 0.25. Okay, so here if you will add it, you will get final answer at 282.25. So this is your decimal, 282.25. Now this decimal you want to convert to hexadecimal. Okay, so before decimal what we have? 282. 282, that is we'll divide it with 16. So 282 if we'll divide with 16, then 16 ones are 16, so the remainder will be 12, so 122, it will be 7 sir. Okay, so if we subtract, we'll get here 10, then here 16 ones are 16, remainder is 1. And what is the meaning of what is the meaning of 10? 10 means A. Okay, and we write answer from down to up, so it will be 1 1 A point. Now after point what do you have? 0.25. If you multiply 0.25 into 16, then directly you will get 4.0. So first point only will got 0 0. Okay, so what is the outside? 4. The answer over here is 4. So this is a way we convert fraction to any number. I hope it's clear. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Any question you can ask it in comment. Thank you.